Assalamu alaikum, hello my friends, it's MJ with you now. I'm a native speaker of Uzbek language and welcome to my new Uzbek language course. Here in this channel we're gonna learn Uzbek language from scratch, from zero to fluency. If you know anyone who wants to learn Uzbek, please let them know about this video so they can join and you can learn Uzbek language and its culture all together. By the way guys, before starting my video tutorial, one more thing that I want to mention. I hope you guys like and subscribe to my channel and turn on notification button to be updated all the time when I release a new video, and make sure to subscribe. Thank you.
Let's learn question words in Uzbek.
Who, kim, nima, what, qaysi, which, qayer, where, nimaga, why, kimga, whom, nima uchun, for what, qanday, how, qancha, how much, nechta, how many, qachon, when, kimning, whose. Now it's time to take a quiz.
Examples in sentences. Bu nima? What is this? Qayerga ketyapsiz? Where are we going? Siz Toshkentga qachon borasiz? When will you go to Tashkent?